Hi everyone, and welcome back to the series where we solve data problems in both SQL and Pandas. Today's challenge is to calculate the total balance for each user by summing up their transaction. The goal is to report only those users whose final balance is strictly greater than 10,000. In SQL, we start with a select statement. We join two tables, transaction and users. Since column account exists in both tables, we join on column account. Now we group by account and name. In the select statement, we output the name and balance. For the balance, we need to sum all amounts per user. When we run this query, we receive all balances for each user. The last thing we have to do is to filter those that are more than 10,000. We use the having clause. We indicate that the balance should be more than 10,000. Now let's run the query, and we successfully solved this problem in SQL. Let's move on to Pandas. In Pandas, we first merge two data frames, users and transactions. We join these two data frames and we say this new dataset as merged. Now we take the new dataset merged and we group by account and name, and then we calculate total balance. This new dataset we save into balances. Now we take the balances and we rename the column amount into balance. The last thing, we filter for balances that are more than 10,000. And now we're ready to return the result. We return only two columns, the name and the balance. Let's run it. So we successfully solved this problem in Pandas. Which syntax did you prefer for this specific problem? The SQL having clause or Pandas filter after group by? Let me know in the comments.